this month's 3-minute tip, we're going to talk about suggestive selling and upselling. So we'll get our timer and we'll get started. First, what's the difference between suggestive selling and upselling? Okay? Suggestive selling is getting your customers to try new and exciting things that maybe they wouldn't try. These things should separate you from your competition and be unique to your store. Upselling is little suggestions we make to drive sales. Okay? So we'll start with suggestive selling. First things first, if the customer doesn't like you, if the customer doesn't like your employees, they will see any upselling or suggestive selling as a sales pitch and not a friendly suggestion. So, first thing we got to train our employees to do is make eye contact. We want to make sure they look our customers in the eye. Make sure they smile. It's very, very easy to do. When I train customers on how they should hire, I train them first things first, hire personality. I could teach them how to make an ice cream cone. I could teach them how to do everything involved in your store except smile and have a personality. So when you're hiring, make sure they do that. Greetings. Greetings are very important. Okay? When somebody walks up to your window or walks in your store, you want to thank them for coming in. Welcome to our store. It's always a good start. First impression is very important. All right? Have a positive attitude. We want to be welcoming to our customers. All right? If we're smiling, we're making eye contact, we're friendly, we have a greeting that's welcoming to the customer, guess what? Now we can suggestively sell. You need to know your restaurant menu perfectly. Your employees should know that. This way, when they're suggesting items, they know what they are. If a customer has questions, they know how to follow that up. Talk about new items and flavors. Talk about things that are unique to your store. Every one of your employees should have something that they like to push. Okay? It shouldn't be your $1.50 code. What they're pushing should be your high-end items. But make sure they like it. Okay? You don't want somebody with a peanut allergy recommending your peanut butter sundae. Okay? Make sure they tried it and they liked it and they're passionate about it, because that'll show to the customer. Upselling. Okay? Upselling can drive sales to a large degree. When we upsell, somebody walks up, they ask for a vanilla cone, we want to suggest large. Maybe we suggest a waffle cone. Maybe sprinkles is this week's suggestion. Don't overdo it. Okay? We don't want to barrel beat the customer when they come and order. Can't do it all at once. However, we can pick a couple little things that we can help to drive sales. Pick items that are relevant to the sale. All right, if somebody gets a sundae that has 4 or 5 toppings, we don't really want to upsell an extra topping. But if they get a vanilla cone, we can suggest waffle cones. We may suggest sprinkles. Okay? Those little changes, those little incremental upsells can be big profit dollars at the end of the year. Don't push the person that knows exactly what they want. If you have a regular that comes in and they know exactly what they want, no need to upsell that person. Be thankful for the sale. Okay? Have contests. Push your employees to be salespeople, not order takers. Okay? But make sure they're trained well and they know what's important to the store, and it can lead to big profit dollars at the end of the year. Okay? Well, time's up. See you next month.